Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girlia's Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. Every week we enter our cards into Saturday morning makes, as well as hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, of course. This week's theme is fairy. Next week's theme will be nautical or water. So whatever theme you want to create with either one of those, nautical or water, under the sea, whatever, you can enter into our collab, which is hashtag Two Crafters One Design, and also enter that project into Saturday morning makes. All right, so this week I am using My Creative Time's little fairy die along with her sentiments, and then I'm also using the flower pot house add-ons, and I'm just using that little mailbox from there. Pulled out the mushroom dies. This is probably one of my favorite mushrooms. It's so adorable to me, so I'm using that. If you'd like to purchase any of those products from My Creative Time, you can use my discount code MOE for 10% off your total purchase. All right, and then I'm also using this Cuttlebug embossing folder, which is from the freshly picked embossing folder. I want to say it's retired, but who knows? You might be able to find it out there. Not sure. And then I'm also using My Creative Time, some older dies that I pulled out, and I want to say I'm using one of these. And then from CC Designs, I'm using these scallop rectangles. I love these rectangles. They're so tiny and small. Love those. And here goes that adorable little mushroom along with that fairy. Oh, I thought it turned out just so cute. So cute. Anyways, let me show it to you a little bit more up close. I thought she's adorable. All right, alongside that mushroom, I used the fairy wishes from her stamp set that went with the little fairy girl there, and she's all dressed up in yellow, as you can tell, and gray actually, but I thought it went perfect with that red mushroom in the background and the little fairy mail. I was gonna use that as something sticking out of the little mailbox, but I just put it on the front instead. But just adorable. Love how that mushroom embossing folder really brings out the whole card. I thought that was just perfect. And there goes the inside of the card. Didn't do much in there, but the card is just adorable. So if you'd like to enter into our collabs, make sure you use those hashtags. Once again, hashtag Two Crafters One Design, as well as hashtag Sat More Makes. Remember, next week's theme is nautical or water, either one, whatever you'd like to choose. And just enter it into our collabs. All right, that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.